Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. These are 2 giant boxes and they are filled with a new amazing clothing company that we just ordered from. I'm really excited. Paul picked out all the clothes. I have no idea what I'm going to be looking at, but we're going to unbox it all. And all of these clothes will be made available on the fire sale on Monday, which should be tomorrow. And then don't forget, we also have Amazon mystery boxes from yesterday's video. So if you haven't watched yesterday's video, definitely check it out. All right, let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, I'm gonna lay these down just like this. I've got a clothing rack behind me. We're gonna try to hang up everything so that we can kind of get a good view of everything. I really want to be careful when opening these because it is fabric. The last thing I want to do is ruin what I just bought.
These will most likely be available on Monday's fire sale. I think we have enough for that, and then we'll see if this is something you want us to keep ordering.
I already love the colors. Look at this. I like the sizes already too. So we've got, looks like 1X, 2X, and 3X right there. I'm really hoping that's the case in all of them. What do we got here? Oh, Paul, did you do this so that I would fill my closet? You did this so I would fill my closet. I'm going to grab some hangers so we can display them all at the end. But look at all the different colors.
Yeah, we are trying to find another plus size brand like Bloom Chick was. Having a hard time finding that, but this was suggested. I'm like, oh, we'll give it a whirl.
This actually feels a lot like the Bloom Chick clothes and kind of the style.
What does it say on it, brand-wise?
Emerald.
Emerald.
Emerald is the brand, yes. But this is really nice. Oh, look! I was going to say it doesn't have pockets, but it does have pockets. So see, true to Bloom Chick brand. So we've got that guy there. So I'm going to leave that one, and I'm just going to move all the rest of the other ones over on the table. Kind of came out of the bag a little bit. All right. What else we got? It looks like we've got all 1X, 2X, and 3X. I will let you know if there's anything different. So I'm going to try to just pull the 1X sizes out. So you kind of get, look at that skirt. Isn't that beautiful?
Kind of the same pattern, just different colors, right?
Oh, it's got a flare at the bottom. See how it flares out? It's like wider at the bottom.
As you stand next to candy boxes.
Yes.
We have a few candy boxes.
Love candy. We also have candy boxes available in our mystery box category. We have a mystery box category. I'm so excited. So we have candy boxes available in our mystery box category on hookedonpickin.com. So go ahead and check those out. They're also in the snacks and candy category. So, all right. We have this one. This is pretty. I love this color. This has some sort of a tie on it. Oh, it's like a baby doll dress. Kinda. You can wear it like a tunic top or a dress. Either way. But I think it's got this because some people have wider shoulders or narrow shoulders, and it'll kind of keep it where you want it to be. And it's a cute little fun detail to come down your back, you know.
And these all say emerald, right?
They all say emerald.
Kind of that same feel of the fabric.
Yes, this is really soft.
Should let them feel the fabric here.
Yes.
You guys can feel that. That is
also,
really soft.
Let me see.
Not see-through?
Nope, not see-through at all. Now this is more like the moisture wicking fabric.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so this one's
you can
more
almost
like,
kind of see it on the camera.
So this one's more like that moisture or dry fit feel a little bit.
Still really soft, though.
It is really soft. And then this one's a little bit of a thicker. This is more kind of like a cotton shirt, more flannel shirt style. This one, unfortunately, does not have pockets, but this pink one does for sure. All right, what else we got? Paul, you did a great job. You know style. Just so you know, he picks out all my dresses that I wear at church. and I always get compliments.
That's not exactly true. She puts on a dress and she stands in front of me and says, "Do I look good in this?" And I
It's
say
truthful.
yes.
You are truthful, though. You have never let me buy something that I look ugly.
Very truthful. Every time she asks, I say, you look fantastic.
All right, this is a cool top.
Is that a crop top?
I think it's just a
shorter
waist
top?
length. It's not
Waist
a tunic.
length?
It's just a waist length top.
Okay.
Because, see, it would fit just to the waist, though. So this would be one, like, if I'm always, like, super self-conscious about the midsection, and so I would probably wear, like, a black tank top. But then, like, so if you put your arm up, you still have your black tank top on. And I think it's just cute and clever. It does make your legs look longer if you wear a little bit of a shorter top like this, too. And that has more of this feel, fabric-wise. It's more of that soft.
What's it made of? Maybe that'll help.
Let's see. This one
Probably has a tag somewhere, I'm guessing.
Yes, this one is going to be 95% polyester, 5% spandex. And then this one, because this one's clearly feels different.
It does feel different.
This one is 96% polyester and 4% spandex.
How is that? Hey, it's made in the USA, though.
It is made in the USA.
How'd they do that? Made in the USA? We're making clothes again?
USA.
Look out.
Ooh, purple. Same style as that last one, but just purple and blue.
Cool.
Okay, what else we got in here? Ooh, one more, looks like. Ooh, looks like that. It's kind of like that dress, but pink.
And this, at least we'll have some multiples for the
Yes.
fire sale, you
And
know?
we'll have, it looks like, 2 1Xs, 2 2Xs, and 2 3Xs. So it looks like those are going to be the sizes you have for those.
Nice.
So, and we'll have your favorite color. So we got these two. There we go. All right, so we've got all those from that box. Let's open up the next box. All right, just as a reminder, like I said, we did at the beginning. I did say that we've been working on Amazon boxes, mystery boxes for the unboxing from yesterday. If you want to scan over there, all that stuff is going into mystery boxes. But by the time you see this video, the mystery boxes will already have been made, and you can buy them to your heart's content.
I was making them right before we did the video.
We were. So.
I think I had like 3 $100 mysteries and 2 50s I've made so far.
Also, a lot of this stuff is also going to be on the fire sale. So a lot of the stuff in yesterday's unboxing, we had quite a few that was in great condition. But then we had, I'd say, a good chunk, more than normal, that just had box damage. And so we put we inspect the item. If it's brand new, then we put it on the fire sale, but just kind of show you, hey, it's not giftable. So, you know, that's kind of.
So I don't see everything. Could you kind of keep that box up so that it's kind of a mystery to us?
Oh, keep this up
Yeah, if you would.
so that I can
That'll make it
reveal.
Make it more fun, man.
More of a surprise reveal. All right, what I am pulling out now is blue
Now you look like a magician.
and floral. Ready? Are you ready? Say abracadabra. And ta-da! Ooh, this is totally my style.
I know.
I'm gonna steal one of these and wear it to church.
It's true. It's going to happen.
Totally, yes. Some of the 1Xs might not be available.
If you'd walk over this way, that way I don't
Was it-
accidentally catch the other stuff there.
So it helps on this side. This is a beautiful top.
Yeah, you
It's
want to
got-
hold that up to yourself if you would.
Yes.
There you go. Perfect.
So it's got a high-low hem on it.
Doesn't she look good? Look at her.
So cute little rounded neck, and then it's got the high-low hem. Do you see that here, where the front hem is this length, and then the back hem is longer?
Great.
So it covers your bum. Have to say it like that.
If you wear it backwards, it's long in the front and short in the back.
That's true.
You know.
So like this version is the mullet version.
Yeah.
Because it's longer in the back and shorter in the front.
Absolutely.
If I started calling it the mullet version, I don't think anybody would buy it.
No one's gonna buy it if
because
it's a
mullets
mullet.
are terrible.
It's true.
Listen, if you yell at me about the terrible mullet comment, it's true, okay? I'm just saying. I probably just got us banned from YouTube because I said mullets are terrible.
Not because you said mullet. It'll take a little more than mullet to do it.
I don't know. People might be pretty serious about their mullets. All right, looks like we've got the same style of shirt, but in red. Lady in red. I
don't think that's the appropriate song to sing.
Oh. I don't know any more of that song other than that part.
Pretty sure she was a prostitute, Lady in Red, right?
Okay,
sorry. Am I correct on that?
Maybe.
I think.
I don't know. I don't know
maybe
that
I'm wrong.
Song. Okay. Don't sing that song.
Don't sing that song.
We don't know what's going on. This one feels a little longer, but maybe I'm... No, it's about the same length.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you'll have to put in the comment section below, do you like this kind of style?
Yeah.
Would you like to see more of this? So
let us know which one you like, too. If you like the 3/4 length flare kind of microfiber dresses, the cotton dresses, the high, like the tunic top, tank tops, or these little kind of cropped cotton tops.
I'm trying to be conscious of price point, too, for everybody.
Okay.
So they make clothes that for wholesale I can buy them for $50 and $60 a piece, but I'm like, boy, then we'd have to sell them for a lot more than that. So I don't know if that's really the way to go.
Trying them on, that's hard.
Right, that's what I was thinking too.
Oh,
I'm like,
this is cute.
There you go, tie dye.
Yeah, this is really cute. I like the high neckline on this. Does it have pockets? Oh, winter chicken dinner. We got pockets.
Beautiful.
That's a cute dress.
I think Heather would wear every one of these clothing items.
Every single thing that I have pulled out is Heather style. Just saying.
Could be a problem.
Yes. There'll be one less extra large in every single one. All right, let's see.
Are they all 1X, 2X, 3X?
Yes,
Is what you're doing?
So we have two of each. 1X, 2X, 3X.
Yep. Sorry for those that are 4X, 5X, and 6X. I know Bloom Chick had 4, 5, and 6.
We're still looking for those kinds.
Yeah. Occasionally I can find them.
This is my favorite.
So we'll see.
This one's my favorite.
You like that?
Yes.
I thought you would have gone with the floral right away.
I just yell at you because you fuss at me with some florals. But I do love this one. I like the colors on this one. Very simple.
Very good.
Da, 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 da. Sorry.
We do all our own stunts.
We do. It's full of entertainment here. It took me forever to choreograph that. I mean, just forever. Just worked really hard.
The amount of outtakes.
Yes.
It's amazing.
If we really took a long time to choreograph stuff, like, they would want to see the bloopers, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, we'd have no time to get all your packages sent to you guys.
Yes.
We're way behind. Well, we feel like we're way behind.
We feel like we are.
Usually we're right there. Like, you can look and say, oh, we got 12 packages to do. But when all the college help left, it's, oh my.
104!
Yeah.
That's where we're at today. It'll get done.
So, it will.
We actually added a night shift. If you didn't watch my Labor Day video, I talked about it. But we added a night shift because all of our really good help goes to school now. And so we added a night. Oh, look at these. These are comfy pants. So these are not folded on the hanger. So I'll need to show you. So this one is the 1X size. Loungy jogger pants.
Kaboom.
I feel like a star.
Why would you feel like a star?
I don't know. Just came to me.
Star pants.
Star power. Star power. I feel like that's going to be like some... Isn't that something a superhero says? Star power?
I have no idea.
It sounds
Probably.
Sounds like a superhero thing to
It's a
say.
Marvel thing that we don't know about.
Yes. All right, so we've got all those. We are going to hang all these up as soon as this video is done so that we can get them all ready for the fire sale. All right, what is this? These are on hangers.
Looks like a fall.
It does. Hold on, gotta get the one out here. Look it! That's so cute. Okay, so the sleeves are sheer.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, you can see through them a little bit. See? And they have a little tie here, which is cute. And then we do have pockets. Yay! And it's just a plain solid. This is so cute. I feel like I want to wear this on Sunday.
I think you need a necklace with that, don't you?
Yeah, you would wear a long
Feel like you need a necklace.
Like a fall one. I have a long leaf one. So.
Good.
You could. Definitely. Alright, so there's all those. I hate these on the end. It's already in hangers. Alright, what else we got? Bunch of stuff on hangers in this box.
Is it the same brand? Is it still that Emerald brand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. So far, let me double check this guy. Yep. So far, all the Emerald brand. Did you buy from more than one clothing company or just the...
No, this is all from the same company.
Okay.
I just didn't know if they had multiple brands or not.
So I've been showing all of the 1Xs. I'm just going to show you a 3X just so you can see the difference in size. So this is a 3X shirt. So this would be a 3X shirt.
It's kind of see-through there.
It is. So it's got like a built-in tank top almost in there. And then it's sheared just right here where the lace is. And where the sleeves are. And the lace is kind of neat because it has the hint of that green in it. See how you can see that? And then the back is like this. So that one, so that's
cool,
like a 3X.
Sunburn pattern too.
It would be a cool sunburn pattern.
Be awesome.
So there's all of those ones. All right, what else we got in here? I see floral. All right, let's see. Some red, white, and blue kind of going on here. There we go. That's a cute dress, isn't it? I love that. Pockets, yes. So these are a lot more like a t-shirt dress. Now this one's a little bit of a thinner material.
It's made of that.
Let me look.
So that polyester and spandex?
95% poly, 95, or no, it says 95% rayon.
Oh.
And 5% spandex.
Well, that'd be different.
It does have a little bit more of a stretch springiness to it. But real soft and flowy. We've got all those. Then we've got, oh, only one more thing. Like I said, join us tomorrow at 12:30 Central Standard Time, Monday, and you'll be able to see all of these clothing items, and we will sell the 1, 2, and 3X sizes. So we'll have 2 of each kind. So definitely let us know also in the comment section below if you love this style. What's your favorite style? Which one do you like the best? What are you looking for? Do you want tunic length? Do you want the crop length? Just let us know, because that really helps to know kind of what you guys are into, because we want to buy what you want. Look at this beautiful shirt, tunic top, both. This also has the tie, so if you have narrow shoulders, like I have a little bit more narrower shoulders, so sometimes stuff falls off my shoulders, super annoying. So this is kind of the bonus. And it just looks really cute coming down your back, the little bow. So, really cute. See, I would wear this too, the floral. Wouldn't that be cute on me?
100%.
Yes. All right, so we have all sorts of fun new clothes. We're going to have them all on the sale. So we've got, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different designs. So we're really excited about the new clothes. Give us all your comments. We need to know all of your comments. And just again, a reminder, go to hookedonpickin.com. We should probably already have some of the online auction stuff to bid on right now. So we usually try to get that up and running by Friday.
I'll try to. We have a football game to go to because the girls are in bam, but I might be able to get it done later that night.
Yeah, so we should have it by Sunday up and running, if not for sure by tomorrow.
Yep.
And then we will have the online Amazon auction, or the Amazon auction mystery boxes, the candy boxes. We even got jewelry boxes. So you were saying we need necklaces with that one dress because it kind of was that solid color. Go to hookedonpickin.com, buy a necklace. All right, thanks so much for joining us, and of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.